Hi, welcome to class today. This is Excel Born Academy. Today you are going to be treating word problems on consecutive numbers. It's a way of interpreting word problems into equation. So we're starting with example 1 right here. We're starting with example 1. Now this is the question. The sum of 6 consecutive integers is 387. What is the sixth number in the sequence? Now, before we continue, I want to uh, say that we have two types of sequence here, or questions that you can see in this type of word problem. Uh, the first part is when you just have consecutive integers. You just have consecutive integers. There's a way you represent them. Okay. And the second way to approach this question is when you have consecutive even or odd numbers. Now, when they say consecutive integers, it means counting from 1 to consecutive 3, 4, like that. Okay? So, it means that the difference between each value is 1. Like the difference between 1 and 2 is 1. The common difference between 3 and 2 is 1. So it means they increase or decrease by 1. So when you have that type of question, there's another approach that you use for it. Okay, for consecutive integers. Alright, so for consecutive integers, the formula you use is that the first integer is always an x, and then the second integer, since you don't know it, is x plus 1. X plus 1. The third integer is x plus 2. X plus 2. X plus 2. The fourth integer is x plus 3. X plus 3. The fifth integer is x plus 4. X plus 4. And the sixth integer is x plus 5. X plus 5. That is when they give you consecutive integers, when there's no odd, there's no even. You know that the difference between the two numbers, any two numbers, is just 1. So now when they say the sum of 6 consecutive integers, it means you should add these consecutive integers the way they are in their alphabetic form, because you don't know them. This algebraic form, you don't know the numbers, so you need to add all of them. That's what the sum stands for. And then you say is 387. Is 387 means equal to 387. And please don't forget, the question now says we find the sixth number. So first we need to find x. If we find x, we can get the sixth number. So let's sum them up now. We are summing the first 6 integers. The first is x. We're adding them now. Plus, this is x plus 1. X plus 1. Plus x plus 2. Plus x plus 3. Plus x plus 4. x plus 4, x plus 4, x plus 4 plus x plus 5. Everything equates to 387. 387. 387. 387. 3, 8, 3, 8, this is 8, 7. Can you see that? So that's how we interpret that. The next thing that we need to do is collect the like terms. Okay, all the x, bring them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The x are 6, so we'll have 6x. 6x here. 6x. I'll clean that up. 6x. 6x here. Plus, let's add the numbers now. 1 plus 2, that's 3. Plus 3, that's 6. Plus 4, that's 10. Plus 5, that's 15. So 6x plus 15 is equal to 387. 387. Right, so that's it. So the next thing we need to do now is to collect like terms. Move the numbers to one side. Look at it. There's 6x here. This is 15. The number that we have here is 387. 15 is a number. 387 is also a number. So you move numbers to one side. Okay, or you can start to say, okay, let's subtract 15 from both sides. It's the same. Okay, if we subtract 15 from both sides, it's the same. Okay, so we'll have 6. It's a way of trying to make this number leave the left. So we'll have 6x plus 15. While subtracting 15 from both sides, minus 15. Okay, I don't know. Come on, this is not supposed to be here. I don't want it here. I want it to go. I don't know why it's here. I don't know why it's here. Just staying here. I don't want it. I don't want it. Come on, go, 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 go. Okay, that's coming. So 6x plus 15 minus 15 equal to 387 minus 15. 387 minus 15. So this plus 15 minus 15 will go. We'll have 6s here on my left equal to 387 minus 15. That should be 372. 372. 372. Come on. 372. So the next thing that we need to do now is to make x stand alone. We want to get x. Remember that x is the first number in the series. Okay, x is the first number in the series. So we need to make x stand alone. How do we do that? Anytime a number is attached to an alphabet, In this format, this is multiplication, 6 times x. So you divide both sides by 6 to make x stand alone. Divide both sides by 6 to make x stand alone. So 372 divided by 6 is 62. So x here, x is equal to 62. That is the value of x, 62. So the first number is 62. And some students will say, oh, let's stop there. No, that's not where you're supposed to stop. The B of the question now says this x that we found here is just the value of the first integer. But the question now says you find the sixth integer, the sixth. And what is the value of the sixth? This is x, the first, x plus 1, the second, x plus 2, like that. The sixth integer is x plus 5. So to find the sixth integer, I'm going to write sixth here. Find the sixth integer is going to be x plus 5, x no, x plus 5 is x plus 5, and okay, and that's is equal to, that implies, arrow here is and implies 62 plus 5, 62 plus 5 plus 5, and that's going to give us what? 67. So the sixth member is 67. If the first member is 62, or the sixth is 67. Okay, so that's it for consecutive numbers that are not even and not odd. Difference is just difference in ones. Okay, so now let's go to the next question. This one here, which is question 2. This is question 2. This is the one we want to solve. Question says the sum of 6 consecutive numbers is 126. But look at that, consecutive even. There's even in the question, which is very, very important for you to know. There's even in the question. So look at even numbers. Let's say, for instance, 2 is an even number. After 2 is 4. 4 is the next even number. The next even number. Oh my God, let me not do that. Is that what I said? Don't do that. So the next even number is 4. And the next even number is what? Is 6. 6. And the next even number like that, like that. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the common difference for even numbers is 2. Same with odd numbers. Let's say for odd numbers, we have 1, then we'll have 3, then we'll have 5. So if you check the common difference, the difference between the digit, 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2. So for even and odd numbers, when you see that type of question, what you need to do is to use this method. The first member is always x. This is question 2. I want to solve question 2 now. The first member is always x. Okay, the second member now is x plus 2. Okay, the second member is x plus 2. X plus 2. Third member, no. Gotta delete this. Delete. I don't know why it's not deleting. Okay, x plus 2. The next number now is x plus 4. Okay, we're counting in 2, so x plus 4. X plus 4. The next number is x plus 6. And that's really the first, second, third. The fourth number is x plus 6. X plus 6. X plus 6. Okay. Yeah. And the next number is 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth number is x plus 8. X plus 8. X plus 8. Okay. The fifth number is x plus 8. This is 8. Okay. 8, 8. Then the sixth number is x plus 10. Are you with me? So that's x plus 10. Alright. So these are the numbers. So when you add them, when you add them, you equate them to you equate them to 126. If you add them, we didn't add them. Okay, let's add them. Plus, this is plus. This is plus, 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 plus. Add them. Add them. Add them. Add them. Add them. Add them. So when you add them, you equate them to what? 126. When you equate them, let's see how it's going to be now. So we have x plus x of 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6x. 6x. We'll have 6x plus 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 8, that's 20 plus 10, that's 30. 6x plus 30, 30 plus 30, not 30, this is 30, plus 30 is equal to, it's called what? 126. 126. 126. So 6x plus 30 equal 126. So we need to subtract 30 from both sides. Okay. So we have 6x plus 30. This is 30 then from the right. It's 30 minus 30 is equal to 126. 126 minus 30. So this plus 30 and minus 30 will go. So we'll have 6x left here. is x equal to 126 minus 30, that's 96. 96. So how do we make our x standalone? How do we make our x standalone? Easy. We divide both sides by 6. Divide both sides by 6. Divide both sides by 6. So this is 6. Clean that. So coming out clearly. Divide both sides by 6. Divide both sides by 6. So 96 divided by 6. What should the answer be? 96 divided by 6, and that's 16. So our x is equal to 16. Our x is equal to 16. Okay, but that's not the end. So we should find the fourth number. The fourth number is x plus 3. Okay, wait. X, the second is x plus 2, the third is x plus 4, the fourth number is x plus 6. So the fourth number is x plus 6. The fourth number is x plus 6, so that's gonna be x plus 6. X plus 6. And that implies that this and our x is 16, so it's 16 plus 6. And that's gonna give us what? 16 plus 6, that's 22. 22. So the fourth number is 22. So that's where we are going to stop for today's class. Before that, I'll see you. Okay. That's where we'll stop for today's class. If you learned something from this video, I will want you to subscribe to my channel, the subscription button below, and share it as many friends as you want so that they can get it. Okay, so I wish you all the best and thank you.